What's the best thing to eat for sleep?
Pizza!
Pizza is good anytime. Ginger can help relieve your snoring problem. A cup of milk can help you sleep soundly.
Nice, but I hate both, and I never snore.
Yes, you do. You never admit. That's why I secretly download that mental tracker on your phone. Let's hear your snores. Want to hear your dream talks?
You know what? Ginger milk sounds good.
There's a secret way to know your potential partner's snoring probability. Open the snoring diagnosis interface. Scan their face and get a report. Get mental tracker now in my bio link.